batas sa inyo po, whether dito sa bansa
Well,
or sa ibang bansa po.
naging presidente
Pero kung
ako.
ganyan po yung, Mr. Chair, kung ganyan ang line of thinking ni Mr. Duterte, na walang ganyan niya ituring ang mga mamamayan, na kapag hindi niya mabigyan ng hanap buhay, nagdroga yan, patayin na lang. So what kind of thinking of that, Mr. Chair?
Right thinking.
That's yours. Sa ano niyo yun?
What can you think of? It's the right thinking.
I don't believe in you.
Well,
Okay, next, Mr.
I'm not
Chair.
asking you to believe in me.
Okay, fine.
Far from it.
Fine, Mr. Chair. In same Senate hearing, Mr. Chair, Mr. Duterte said, encourage the criminals to fight. Encourage them to draw